सफलता अहंकारस्य संतुष्टिः अस्ति, उपलब्धि कृतज्ञतायाः संतुष्टिः भवति. Success is the satisfaction of ego, but achievement is the satisfaction of gratitude. Success તમારા ખુદના ઈગોનું સેટિસ્ફેક્શન છે, but achievement is when you feel satisfied with the gratitude of things you have. So change the word success into achievement and you will see miracles. See, that is why success is different from people to people. Some people have a very less ego, so they feel successful with small things in life. Some people have very big ego, so even though having many things in life, they won't feel successful. Right? So people with very big ego they will feel successful when they have a big house, when they have 3 cars, when they have this, that, everything, That is the point at which they will feel successful. बहुत सारी चीजें इकट्ठा कर लिए तब मिलके आपको सक्सेस का अनुभव होता है. So that indicates that your ego is very big. You feel successful after achieving so many things in life. Some people have a very less ego. They feel success by merely having a good family, a small things in life. Right? They will feel successful. So that's why the definition of success is different from people to people. But change the word success to achievement and see what happens. Achievements takes you higher. Success will restrict you after a certain point. Success is like मैं यहाँ तक पहुँचा हूँ. Okay. Achievement is like मैंने ये प्राप्त किया. See the difference? मैं यहाँ तक पहुँचा हूँ. That is success. That is ego. मैंने ये उपलब्धि हासिल की है. That is gratitude. Gratitude of your achievements. So, first of all, change your mental conception. Right? Do a conceptual change in your mind. Stop running after success. Right? Start understanding achievements. Another thing you need to change is stop living on perceptual reality. So what is perceptual reality? You have seen or heard people saying that it is your perception, it is my perception. See, whatever the perception is, it is not going to deflect or change the existent reality. Okay? Whatever the perception it is. May it be 10,000, 1 million or unlimited different perceptions of different infinite people. But that will not change the fact of how things are working in the existent factual reality. Okay. So you giving a reason or arguing that it's your perception, it's my perception. It doesn't matter whose perception it is. It doesn't matter where your perception is bound. What matters is the consistent existent reality. Let's take an example. Okay. This is mouse. Okay. Everyone knows it. So if you view the mouse from over here, you will see buttons on the mouse. Right. If you view from over here, you won't see buttons in the mouse. But it doesn't destroy the fact that the mouse has buttons. Over here you will see laser at the back. To this person there is no view of laser, but it also doesn't give a fact that it doesn't have laser. So in the factual existent reality, things are happening as they are happening. Things are what they are. Just because you cannot view something from a 360 degree view, you cannot say that this is your reality. Okay, that is not your reality. That is your vision to reality. वो आपका नजरिया है जिससे आपको उतनी रियलिटी दिख रही है. But the reality is big, permanent, consistent, firm, and as it is. Your perception denying the factual reality doesn't change the reality. Okay, these are bitter truths of life. You have to accept it. So first of all, remove the perceptual form of life. Don't live on perception. Oh, this is my perception of life. This is how I will live. No, dude. Life doesn't live on your perception. Life doesn't entertain your perception. Your perception is this. Life is this. Why would life entertain your perception? You are entertaining your perception. Because it is this. And life is this. You cannot reach this. So you are entertaining this. So first of all, cut down perceptual living and go into conceptual living. Conceptual living is a high form of living. Perceptual living is a restricted form of living where you enjoy your lifestyle, enjoy your life as per you. Conceptual living is living with a concept of life, which is a very big concept. जीवन का रहस्य. What is life? How you should live a life, that goes into conceptual living. In perceptual living is how will I enjoy my life? How should I live my life? So whenever I comes in a sentence, it is perception. Whenever me comes in a sentence, it is perception. So stop living a perceptual life, start living a conceptual life. Go higher, not ahead. Because earth is round. No matter how fast you go ahead, you are going to keep circling. So you don't have to go ahead, you have to go up. Right? So आगे मत बढ़ो, ऊपर बढ़ो. And to go up, you need to understand conceptual life, and you have to remove the word perception from your life and your surroundings. Stop saying this is my perception, this is how I live. Life doesn't care about your perception. Go change it. None of my concern, none of your life's concern. Okay. And last but not the least, the third thing is that people are very much confused in the perceptual reality. You get confused like a spider web in a perceptual reality. Let me give you an example. The best example is doing output based work. You see, there is a slok in Gita. कर्मणीयवादिका रस्ते मा फलेचु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर हुर्मते संगोतस्व अकर्मणि. What people have explained it, आप कर्म करो, फल की चिंता मत करो. This is not at all the meaning of this slok. Right? See, this is where perceptual reality is wrong. This is the perception of someone who is understanding the slok and showing it to the world. Now, if that person is incapable to understand the slok completely, he will give you a wrong perception. And just because of that wrong perception, you will follow the wrong path. ये श्लोक ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं बोल रहा कि आप फल की चिंता मत करो और कर्म करते जाओ. No, 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 no. That is not at all the meaning of this श्लोक. आपको शिमला जाना है, आप कोई भी ट्रेन में बैठ जाओगे, ऐसा बोलोगे कि मैं फल की चिंता नहीं करूंगा, ट्रेन मुझे जहां भी ले जाए. नो, दैट इज नॉट थिंग, दैट इज अ स्टुपिडिटी. फल की चिंता नहीं करना ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं बोला. The slok says that you have control over your actions. You don't have controls over things you get return of your actions. आपका उस चीज में कंट्रोल है जिससे आप कोई भी कर्म करते हो, उसमें आपका कंट्रोल है. यू कैन कंट्रोल योर एक्शंस, बट यू कैनॉट कंट्रोल द आउटपुट ऑफ योर रिएक्शन. वो एक्शन के बाद आपको क्या फल मिलेगा उसको आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. ऐसा उसका मीनिंग है. ऐसा बिल्कुल उसका मीनिंग नहीं है कि आप उसके आउटपुट के बारे में मत सोचो. राइट? इफ यू डोंट थिंक अबाउट द आउटपुट, you will never know where you are going, when you are going, whether you should go or not. Right? So some things in perception need to be changed. Second thing is judgmentalness. People say you shouldn't judge other people. Judgment is wrong. why are you judging us? Why are you judging different people? Well, idiots, judgment is very important things in life. We are human beings. What difference an animal and a human being has? That a human being has a good judgmental power, an animal doesn't have that. So if you don't have good judgmental power, if you don't judge things, don't judge situation, don't judge people, you are nothing less than an animal. It is very important to judge things. How will you know how to act with that person if you don't judge that person? शेर आ रहा है, that you judge शेर. आप शेर को ऐसे जज करते हो ना कि आप शेर के पास जाओगे तो वो आपको खा जाएगा. और अगर कोई कुत्ता आता है तो आप उसको पेट करते हो, वो आपको खा नहीं जाएगा. सो क्या किया आपने? जज किया ना, आपने जज किया उस शेर को कि वो शेर आपको खा जाएगा. सो यू विल एक्ट लाइक दैट वे. कुत्ता आपको खाएगा नहीं, वो आपके साथ खेलेगा, इसलिए आपके ऐसा आपने पेट किया. कभी देखा शेर आ रहा है आपने उलू ऐसे किया? आपने नहीं किया ना, बिकॉज यू जज द लायन फॉर व्हाट ही इज एंड यू जज द डॉग फॉर व्हाट ही इज. So you play with the dog, you don't play with the lion. Understand? So judgment is very important thing. Those people who say that they are non-judgmental people are good, non-judgmental people are foolish, right? If you don't judge a person, how you would understand that how to live with the person, how to react with that person, how to understand that person. आपको पता ही नहीं, आपने उसको कैटेगराइज ही नहीं किया कि वो बंदा कैसा है, आपने उसको जज नहीं किया तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि आप उसके साथ कैसे रहो. सो जजमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन लाइफ. डोंट गेट इनटू फॉल्स ट्रेंड्स ऑफ सोशल मीडिया. ओके, सोशल मीडिया ट्रेंड्स आर नथिंग एल्स बट अ वायरल फिलोसॉफी ऑफ परसेप्शन. किसी का परसेप्शन वायरल हो गया, वो ट्रेंड हो गया. बट दैट इज परसेप्चुअल रियलिटी. It keeps on changing. Conceptual reality does not change. Right? So the second thing is, it is important to judge people. It is important to judge situation. For your improvement, for your growth, to understand how to react, how to do things. कर्म कैसे करे, किसके साथ कैसा कर्म किया जा सकता है, वो समझने के लिए आपका जजमेंटल पावर अच्छा होना चाहिए. You should judge the person on how to act with him, right? So it is very important to judge someone. After judging them, you can understand that what are they capable of. If they are capable of reward, you give them reward. If they are capable of punishment, you give them punishment. Okay? Otherwise, you will give reward to someone who is deserving punishment, and you will give punishment to someone who is deserving reward. और वो फिर अधर्म है ना. दैट इज अगेन रॉन्ग डिसीजननेस. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू जज. डोंट गेट इनटू दैट फॉल्स परसेप्शन ऑफ लाइफ दैट जजमेंट इज रॉन्ग. जजमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ. ओनली एनिमल्स डोंट हैव जजमेंटल पावर. ह्यूमंस हैव जजमेंटल पावर. यूज देम. ओके, सो दिस वाज इट. We learned today to understand life from a conceptual path. Right, so get out of the perceptual reality, get into conceptual reality, because that is the true existential reality. Perception is something that will keep on going and changing, and be output oriented. I am not saying to keep output in your mind always. मैं ऐसा भी नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप फल की आशा किए जाओ. मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ कि आप फल के ऊपर देख के आगे बढ़ो. इफ यू डोंट एक्सपेक्ट, अगर आप फल की चिंता नहीं करोगे तो आपको जाना होगा राइट और आप चले जा रहे होगे वेस्ट. सो आपको एटलीस्ट आपका फल दिखना चाहिए ना सामने कि वहां पे मैं जा रहा हूँ. सो फल की चिंता मत करो, मगर फल को आगे रखो सो दैट यू वुड नो वेयर यू आर गोइंग. ओके, सो अंडरस्टैंड conceptual reality. Live in concepts, don't live in perceptions, because perceptions are ever changing things. Okay.